Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dro. So this is another requested song, and you know this is Kurdish, so let's go. Oh yes, you know I love yes. Oh, it's very like, you know, it's very like that, and you know I live. I'm dramatic, so just get used to it, okay? I live for this. Oh wow, I feel like I'm in ancient somewhere, you know. Okay. Very mysterious and epic. Like this is like a belly dancing song. Oh my gosh, he is good. I don't know, he's Ivan and Benjamin. Like I don't know who is who. Maybe he's Ivan. Is he Ivan? He's so like, he's good. He's really good. Amazing. So I'm guessing this is Benjamin. Oh yes, Boro, yes. It's like Kobero. Is that the same word, Bero? I don't know. It sounds similar, but I don't know. Wow. Okay, yes. Okay. I read one of the comments, somebody said, oh my gosh, can you stop saying okay? I hate when you say okay. Okay, that's just how I talk. You either like it or you just don't like it. Oh, he sings good. Oh, I like this song. It's so like mysterious, you know? Like it's giving me like a movie, you know? Yes, I stand for them, Ivan and Benjamin. He's so like, like, oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh wow, I stand hard. I don't know, like this song makes me wanna like belly dance, you know? Oh wow. Wow, she is talented. Wow, this is epic. I love this type of music. Like if you have more videos like this, like mystical belly dancing like that, like I love, okay? His voice, it's very like soothing, very strong. The tone of his voice, it's just like perfect. And like even if the video is the video, nothing amazing is happening, but the voices that they have are so, oh my gosh, that I live. I stand. Wow. Yeah, and this one, Benjamin, is like, it's the balance, you know, you got the deep voice and then you got the higher pitch. Amazing. This video is about Boro, Boro. Yes. Yes. Oh yes, I don't know what you're saying, but I leave. Amazing, I'm sure. Yes. Oh yes. This is a bop. Just so you know, this song is a bop for me. Yes, it has drama. It has everything. Amazing. Yes. Amazing. Amazing. Oh wow. Yes. Amazing.
Let's kill this.